In
Nice
all of commercial real estate, all of it, is this the place to be? Data centers?
This is absolutely the place to be. When you think about the trends that are unfolding within artificial intelligence and the impact that's going to have on demand for data centers, the growth is going to be more robust than anything we have seen over the past 2 decades.
So how much, quantify that for me, how much growth are we going to see? If we're at X now, we're going to be at X times by when?
Over the next 5 years, I think you're going to begin to see what I will call a transformational moment for data center demand. This is ultimately going to require billions and billions of dollars of new capital investment into the space that will transform the market and really grow the cash flows of these companies in a way that we haven't seen before.
So, and this is being driven by AI.
Amazon Web Services says it plans to invest $7.8 billion into Central Ohio. According to an announcement from Governor Mike DeWine, the company wants to expand data centers through 2029. A possible location could be New Albany. In January, the company paid nearly $117 million for parcels on Beach Road Northwest near the Intel site.
I do wonder, though, with so much capital chasing it, whether the returns are still going to be there.
Yes, very much so. Why? It's the same reason you see the movement of the stock price of NVIDIA and anything AI related. The voracious appetite for this new technology or the advancing of the technology is ginormous. So the capital first goes through a funnel. First it goes to those companies. First it goes to creating those chips, et cetera, et cetera. Then comes the need, real estate wise, for the data centers and the storage. So that's really only begun.
Hi, Joe. Yeah, Digital Realty is owner and operator of 350 data center REITs in 50-plus markets globally. And I'm happy to be joined by the CEO, Andrew Power. I love that your name is Power, first of all. Thanks so much for joining us, our first time on CNBC. And first, since you took the helm about 6 months ago, correct?
That's right. Thanks so much for having me.
So we have to address the elephant in the room, which is always AI. You are basically the landlord to AI. How much has it boosted business, and what do you see in its growth for the future?
Sure. So just like cloud computing, artificial intelligence is the dawn of a new technological innovation that's going to deliver real-world business outcomes. It's happening today, really in its infancy, but it's got a long runway of growth, and this will live in a data center.
Is making a huge investment in Northern Virginia by expanding data centers.
Yeah, Nick Manock breaks down what the company has planned for this year and the hurdles that could lie ahead.
Google has called Virginia home for more than 15 years now.
And now Google is investing $1 billion in data center expansion this year. And Google announced $75 million for AI workforce development initiatives to help over 1 million Americans learn essential AI skills. Google has 2 data centers in Loudoun County.
Today, I'm really proud to announce that we're investing an additional $1 billion in Virginia to expand those campuses and to add a 3rd data center in Prince William County.
New this morning, tech company Polaris Technologies is investing $100 million into Muskogee to create the city's first data center. This is expected to bring jobs and economic growth to the area. And crews, they've been hard at work in Port Muskogee's John T. Griffin Industrial Park, getting that data center up and running. The facility will be used for Bitcoin mining.
In the digital revolution sweeping India, real estate has found a viable business to diversify into, that of data centers. Now, a data center essentially is a dedicated space used to house computer systems like servers, processors, and components such as telecommunications for massive data storage. In simple terms, data center is a warehouse of data in thousands of terabytes. And data, as we all know, is the new gold of the digital age.